Did you know Frederick the Great of Prussia had a daily routine so strict it turned him into one of history's most unbeatable leaders? Every morning at 4 a.m., Frederick would spend 2 hours in complete silence, not planning battles or reading reports, just sitting with his worst fears. He'd imagine losing everything, his kingdom, his army, his life. Then he'd ask himself one question: what would I do if this actually happened? This mental preparation made him unshakable in real crisis. While other kings panicked under pressure, Frederick stayed calm because he'd already lived through disaster in his mind. But here's the counterintuitive part that made his soldiers worship him despite his harsh demands. Frederick never asked his men to do anything he wouldn't do himself. He slept on the ground with them, ate the same food, marched the same distances. His discipline wasn't about controlling others. It was about mastering himself first. When you lead by example instead of just giving orders, people will follow you anywhere. True leadership starts with the person in the mirror.